Good morning. The Bank of Canada came out with their scheduled rate announcement this morning. They have kept rates unchanged. Not like they have a ton of room to drop being so close to zero. But as per the bank's release, the impacts of COVID appear to have peaked, and the policy response has helped cushion the blow of lost income and the impacts of the shutdown. The forecast is for a sharp rebound followed by a grind to pre-crisis levels. And it's really that grind part that you want to take away from that statement, because let's not forget the policy response was largely life support more so than stimulus. And debt is really giving up future consumption for greater consumption today, unless that debt was used to generate another income stream. So if I go out and buy a vacation home, though a lot of fun and great for drinking margaritas, that mortgage payment and the extra expenses of that property are going to take away from what I can spend and invest my money with otherwise. Whereas if I use that debt to buy an investment property that's generating rental income that helps cover that property, it's not going to have a negative impact, as much of a negative impact on my financial situation. If anything, it's going to help me improve. So the economic gravity that of what has happened in Canada and really around the entire world, it's going to weigh on us for a long time. So what can you do? If you're able, use low rates to your advantage, whether that's creating another income stream or whether that's just paying down your existing debt load. Try to use this to your advantage. And if you're one of the millions who have had your life turned upside down by this awful mess, try and find some positive to take away from this, whether that's taking advantage of government stimulus, whether that is education, whether that's using technology to improve your productivity, improving your spending and consumption habits, or even just spending more time with your loved ones. Find the light in all of this darkness. Winston Churchill said, "Never let a good crisis go to waste." I was thinking last night, my entire life, most of my life, until recently, it's felt like the world's been on a linear path of progress. And of course, that's not how life works. I mean, history is cycles of booms and busts. Crises seem to happen more now than they ever have in our lifetime. So find a way to prepare for the unexpected, so that when life hits us, we can find ways to emerge from it stronger than we were before. I'm Ryan. Thanks for watching. It feels good to be clean shaven again and have an excuse to iron some dress shirts. But I hope you have a great day, and please contact me if you have any questions at all. Ciao.